Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Jettison, Netty, Woodstock Score, Apache Commons Net, and Apache Tomcat. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The advanced routing application has been extended with a new routing step, Pull from Partner. This step allows downloading files from external partners over FTP, HTTP, generic HTTP, and SSH transfer sites as part of a route. Unlike the other two routing steps, Send to Partner and Publish to Account, this new Pull from Partner step is intended to provide input files for another step and should therefore be added as the first step in a route. On the screen here, you can see the settings for configuring the Pull from Partner step. Refer to our administrator guide for detailed descriptions of all settings. This SecureTransport update adds the option to trigger multiple flow actions, pull and push, based on metadata received from external messaging systems. The steps for configuring the flow are provided in our administrator guide. By default, SecureTransport establishes a new connection with the remote server for each server-initiated transfer via SSH. Transferring large numbers of files to the same remote servers can now be optimized by enabling connection pooling. That way, the connections established to the remote SSH server will be preserved for a short period of time after the file transfer and can be reused for another transfer. The transfer log in the SecureTransport administration tool now indicates the advanced routing steps that were not executed because their condition was not met. You can see here in the screenshot that the decompress transformation step was not completed because the condition was not satisfied. Thank you for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.